Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford Expedition. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and your factory trailer hitch is here as well. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, four-wheel drive controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Expedition on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.